IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you like to do when you're with other people? Band 5. Answer.
I like to talk with people and spend time together. We usually watch TV or eat food and just relax. It makes me feel happy because I don't like being alone.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, repetition. Grammar, mostly simple sentences. Pronunciation, generally clear but not expressive. Typical of a Band 5, understandable but plain and predictable. Band 7.5 Answer.
When I'm with other people, I usually enjoy having conversations or doing something social, like going out for coffee or watching a movie together. I like sharing ideas and laughing because it helps me feel more connected.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth and logically developed. Lexical resource, good range. Connected, social. Grammar, variety of sentence structures. Pronunciation, natural stress and intonation. Typical of a Band 7.5, clear, flexible, and confident. Band 9 Answer.
When I'm with other people, I really enjoy meaningful conversations, especially when everyone feels comfortable sharing opinions. I also like doing relaxed activities, such as eating out or playing games, because they naturally bring people closer together.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, well-paced, and natural. Lexical resource, precise and nuanced language. Grammar, accurate with subtle complexity. Pronunciation, fully natural and engaging. Typical of a Band 9. Sounds like a thoughtful human, not a rehearsed robot. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.